like to thank also our members of the Board of Judges. Can we give a round of applause to our Board of Judges? I know that you're very excited now. So the first award that I'm going to announce are the winners in Best in Musicality. And we have 5 winners in this category. So all of you are winners in the elementary division. This is elementary division. Heads of Cotillion, please get ready. We have 2 stairs on the right and the left side. Okay? So the 5th place, Best in Musicality, will receive 10,000 pesos, and this goes to Ribo Hinatilan. From Hinatilan, Cebu. Congratulations. From Municipality of Hinatilan. Layo-layo ka ng Hinatilan. Isa na kato ng Hinatilan. Ang gwapo ng Hinatilan. The next, or the 4th place for the Best in Musicality, will receive 15,000 pesos, and this goes to Tribo Sukbugo of Division City of Bugo. City of Bugo. Famous for Pintos Festival. Nakilala mo Pintos, wapa? O lamig kayo ng Pintos. Do we have a representative from the City of Bugo? Please come forward and receive your prize. We'd like to request our dancers from Bugo. Do we have a representative from Bugo? I think the heads of the delegations are in the VIP, so please get ready. The 3rd place for the Best in Musicality Elementary Division goes to the City of Naga. They will receive 20,000 pesos. Congratulations. Let's proceed with the second prize. And the second prize will receive 30,000 pesos, and this is still the Best in Musicality Elementary Division. And the second prize goes to the now Youth Cultural Group. Iba na mo kisay Best in Musicality. And the Best in Musicality goes to Alisay Central School. 50,000 pesos. Congratulations. Oh, you want to now? Okay. Congratulations. You get a prize from Mom Argo. And of course the prize, cash prize from Edward Haiko. Congratulations on you. And the champion from Talisay City. Congratulations. Puro mo may mga Talisay dali sa Sports Center. Can I hear mga Talisay nun? Okay, the next award is the Best in Costume, and we only have 1 winner in this category. Who do you think is this first Best in Costume winner in the elementary division? The Best in Costume will receive 50,000 pesos, and the winner is Talisay Central School. Congratulations. I'd like to request, isa may sa Talisay dili. Dancer. The one wearing red and gold costume, that's Talisay Central School. Congratulations. Now let's proceed to the best in street dancing. We have 3 winners in this category, starting with the third place. Third place, best in street dancing, goes to Tribo Hinatilan to receive 20,000 pesos. Congratulations. By the way, kanang award nato, former Sinulog Festival Queen na, abogada na ron. Si Lisel, Attorney Lisel. Second place, best in street dancing, goes to receive 30,000 pesos. The second place, best in street dancing, DepEd, the Now Youth Cultural Group. Congratulations. So now, uy, mga lang superintendent, division superintendent. Si Ma'am Rosalie Pasaon. Congratulations, Madam. Very close ang competition. As a matter of fact, from the board of judges, they had evaluation before they gave me the results. And the best in street dancing, the fourth place to receive 50,000 pesos goes to Talisay Central School. We shall now proceed to the highlight, the best in ritual showdown, and all of the elementary performers are already winners, since we have 5 winners in this category. Starting with the 5th place, or Ikalimangkante, to receive 100,000 pesos, and the choreographer will also receive 5,000 pesos. So, as I call the winner, the 5th place, the choreographer will also receive their prize. 5th place goes to, from the south, southern Cebu, Tribo Hinatilan. Okay, we'd like to request also the winning choreographers to please receive your prize. Come up on stage. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Oh, you got an award, sir. Congratulations. Congratulations, ma'am. The 4th place to receive 125,000 pesos, and for the choreographer will receive 10,000 pesos. And the 4th place, elementary division, goes to Tribo Sugbugo, Division of City of Bugo. Congratulations, Bugo City Division, and of course the choreographer will also receive their prize. The Vice Mayor of City of Bugo, Martinez, and Superintendent Nelpa Bogo, ang ilang Superintendent. Congratulations. Congratulations, Vice Mayor. Congratulations. The 3rd place. Let's proceed with the top 3 winners. The 3rd place will receive 150,000 pesos, and the choreographer will receive 15,000 pesos. 3rd place goes to the City of Naga. City of Naga, congratulations. Ang ilang superintendent, si Tata Sumin Pauli. Bali ko sa VIP. Congratulations, sir. So we have two contingents left. Who do you think is this year's grand prize winner in elementary? Who said it's the now? Let me hear it from the now. Who said it's the Lisay? The now. The Lisay. I'm going to announce first the first runner-up or the second place for this universe. Marunong ako, bakit ko Steve Harvey na. The second place to receive 200,000 pesos and 20,000 pesos goes to the Now Youth Cultural Group. I'd like to request the Vice Mayor, si Madam Rosalie Pasao, the Deputy Superintendent of the Now City. Congratulations, Madam. Congratulations. And the grand prize winner! We have to announce to receive 350,000 pesos and for the choreographer will receive 30,000 pesos. Congratulations to Talisay City Central School. Pagpahal ang Richard Perong Gabiona sa Talisay. Congratulations once again to the winners in the elementary division. I have now the list for the winners in the secondary division, starting with the best in musicality. All of you are winners already, so the best in musicality, fourth place, to receive 15,000 pesos. The best in musicality, fourth place, secondary division, goes to Bituon National Vocational School, Dumanhog, Cebu. We'd like to request the instrumentalists of Dumanhog, Cebu, ang atong mga instrumentalists. Any representative from Dumanhog, Cebu? Maybe a dancer? Dumanhog, Cebu, please come up and sing. Okay. Dumanhog, Cebu. Do we have a representative from Dumanhog, Cebu? Coming na si sir. Congratulations. The third place, best in musicality, to receive 20,000 pesos. Third place goes to the municipality of Asturias. The municipality of Asturias will receive 20,000 pesos. Congratulations. Uy, galing ang mayor sa Asturias. Jose Antonio Lindor. Can we give a round of applause to Mayor Asturias? Mayor sa Asturias. Congratulations, Mayor. So, duha na lang. Tuguran o karkan. Kisay best in musicality. The best in musicality, second place, will receive 30,000 pesos. And the second place, secondary division, goes to Very close kayo ang competition. Ito 0.5 lang. Municipality of Tuburan. Congratulations, Municipality of Tuburan. Second place, best municipality. Okay, instrumentalists of Tuburan. Representatives of Tuburan. Ana. And the best in musicality, first place, goes to City of Carcar to receive 50,000 pesos. No less than ilang Division Superintendent si Cyrus Leojarde Mayuni Dawat sa Grand Premier. And we'll proceed with the best in costume. We only have one winner in this category. Only the best. Who do you think? Isa ka kagwapong costume diri ato ba? The best in costume to receive 50,000 pesos goes to Municipality of Tuburan. High School. Representative of the Municipality of Tuburan to please come up on stage. Ana. Okay. Best in costume. So let's proceed with the best in street dancing, starting with the third place. The third place, best in street dancing, will receive 20,000 pesos. And third place goes to the City of Carcar. The second place, best in street dancing to receive 30,000 pesos, goes to Municipality of Asturias. Representative of Asturias, si Mayor, ano ba si Mayor? Ano si Mayor? Congratulations again, Mayor. No less than the Mayor of the Municipality of Asturias to receive the award. Congratulations. And the first place, best in street dancing, goes to Municipality of Tuburan. Tuburan High School to receive 50,000 pesos. So let's proceed the best in the ritual presentation, starting with fourth place. Fourth place will receive 125,000 pesos, and the choreographer will receive 10,000 pesos. Fourth place goes to Bituon National Vocational School, Dumanhog, Cebu. Congratulations. Third place, best in ritual showdown, to receive 150,000 pesos, and the choreographer will receive 15,000 pesos. Third place goes to Municipality of Asturias. just left? It's Karkar City and of course Tuburan. Okay, before I'm going to announce the winner, quickly, one more hug. Beach sports. Yan, anong taon-taon, hindi ka dahil sa winners, ang snapay lang sila. Okay, I'm going to announce the second place. The second place will receive 200,000 pesos and the choreographer will receive 20,000 pesos. Who do you think is this year's grand prize winner? Who said it's Karkar? Who said it's Tumuran? I'm going to announce first the second place, and the second place goes to... Congratulations, Karkar City Division. And the grand prize winner is the municipality of Tumuran. Congratulations. We'd like to remind everyone, all the choreographers and head of the ticket, we will have a meeting at the belly dancing area. All choreographers and head of the ticket, we will have meeting at the belly dancing area. Again, on behalf of the City of Cebu and the Sinulog Foundation, we would like to thank you for coming over and congratulations to all the winners. See you tomorrow for Sinulog sa Barangay. Big Senyor! Choreographers and head of the ticket, we will have a meeting at the belly dancing room. Thank you very much.